Blocking someone on Vrbo can help you manage your interactions and ensure a more pleasant experience. Follow these steps to block a user effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Vrbo account by entering your username and password on the Vrbo website or app. Step 2. Navigate to your messages. Once logged in, go to the Messages section where you can view all your communications with other users. Step 3. Find the user you want to block. Scroll through your messages to locate the conversation with the person you wish to block. Step 4. Select the block option. In the conversation window, look for the option to block the user. This may be represented by a button or link often found in the Settings or Options menu of the chat. Step 5. Confirm the block. After selecting the block option, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the block. By following these steps, you can successfully block someone on Vrbo and enhance your experience on the platform. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Vrbo's customer support.